Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. It is very scary. People are afraid. People are mad and whatnot. It's shaping up. Crypto is shaping up to scare people. Even I'm just a little bit angry, to be honest. I'm not scared. I'm not going to say that my emotions are scary, but I'm actually a little bit angry, right? Because the coin that I was in never really pumped. Okay, the coin that I was trading never really pumped. I bought the coin when Pepe was trading down here. Pepe did this, and this coin is still down. Okay, Jasmine did actually shoot up. The coin was down. Bonk shoot to the upside. The coin was down. Even SLP, that stupid idiot, actually pushed up, and my coin was still down. BNB made a new all-time high, and my coin was still down. Okay, so that's really frustrating. But I'm not scared about anything, to be honest with you. I think crypto is still at a good buying position for many other coins, all right? And things are pretty much at support. Maybe that's what I'll say, right? So right now you still have been maintaining this level of support. Previously it was resistance here, and you've come down and you're still holding it. But what I can say is that if you do come down and make it all the way down, actually I'm going to bring the stops a little bit lower to 8736. For me, 8736 is the dead end here. Okay, my expected scenario is that we finally see Pepe try to push back from here and go up to 21. Okay, if everything holds, so that's going to be a pump of nearly, we're going to actually see like 80-90% move up. That's what is expected as long as you really hold above here, because let's face it, this is a pattern, and if you take the trend line and if I drop the top to the bottom of that trend line and I place it here, that's actually where it goes. And actually it actually comes up to 25, by the way, but I still think it's safe to say 21,000. Okay, so this is your pattern, this was the break, this is the retest. So basically that pattern technical target is up to this point right there, as long as you don't come under the pattern itself, if I can say it as the most simplest way possible. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.